Hey, Leo, are you hungry? Leo, are you hungry? Leo, speak. Are you hungry? Leo, what do you want for dinner? Dinner? Speak for dinner. Speak for dinner. Speak. Do you want dinner? Are you hungry? Oh, really? And then what else would you like with that? Is there dinner up there? Is there dinner? Leo, speak. That's funny. Speak.
Meg.
Speak.
Leo, speak.
Leo, speak.
Are you hungry, Leo?
Leo, speak to us. What is it you're trying to say? Really?
Leo, do you want chicken?
Chicken?
You want chicken?
Chicken? You want chicken?
Speak. Speak. Leo, are you hungry? No, that's
Leo,
a bark.
speak. No, not you.
Leo, you want chicken?
He's so frantic. Leo, are you hungry?